Hey, it's me.
Your acid bath princess of the darkness.
And I have created this look. So like, I heard Area 51 was popping right now, and I was just like, let's go.
Hey.
I've been wanting to try like another galaxy look, because I tried this like in middle school and it looked really bad. What the hell was that? It looked like I had like a disease. Like it did not look good. It looked like a severe sunburn. Okay, I need to stop. So I don't really talk that much in this video, so I'm gonna try and edit it so that's at least a little bit entertaining. I winged everything. I was like, okay, I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna pretend like we do. You'll see, because I am in like intense concentration mode. I'm like, if I don't get this right, then like, oops. Let's see how I did this with very little explanation from a very mediocre 5-year-old makeup artist. Keep watching. Okay, so I went and did my eyebrows and my base off camera because I feel like it's kind of repetitive and I want to get to the point, you know. So I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I'm thinking of doing like one eye like purple, maybe one eye blue, then like a galaxy right here. So we'll just see about it. So I'm just gonna start off with like priming my eyelid. So I'm just gonna put like a couple like dots of concealer. I'm gonna like blend that in or whatever with my beauty blender. Fun. Oh, that actually appeared a lot more than I thought I was going to. Hey, that looked good. Okay. I'm gonna use a blush. Because, like, you know, I don't really have that many pink eyeshadows. I'm just gonna, like, also put it just, like, on there just as a nice little transition shade. I'm gonna grab this, like, pinky, like, mix it with, like, this purple. I don't know. Oh. I'm gonna grab, like, a kind of, like, pinky magenta-y shade. And, like, the inner, like, right here. Inner corner, is that what it's called? The inner corner? I don't know, man. Ooh, bless me.
I'm trash.
Ooh, I look like I got punched in the face. Also, my foundation is not, like, the same shade as, like my arm. I'm gonna have a bunch of shit on my face, so if my foundation's gonna look fucked, I might as well, you know, just, like, do it now. I'm going to grab this, like, oh my god, you can't even see. Okay, I'm gonna grab this purple, and then I'm gonna mix it with this darker one. I'm just gonna put that in, like, the outer, like... And I'm gonna grab, like, a blending brush, and I'm just gonna, like, blend all of it in. Now that that's blended, I'm just gonna, like, carve my eyelid out a little. So, like, now everything I just carved out, we're gonna put, what color? I think I'm gonna do this middle really pretty color, and I'm gonna use my finger because nothing works better than your fingers.
So gay.
So let's do the blue eye now. I don't really have a transition shade this time, so we're just gonna go straight in. Yeah, you see this blue? Yeah, we're gonna pack that on the crease. Oh, that's pigmented. I didn't expect that much color to come off the first time around, but that's good, you know, that means Huda Beauty knows what she's doing. Okay, well, that's not like blending, so that's kind of a problem. So I feel like I pull this palette out in like every single look, but it is a lifesaver, so I'm gonna just use this, what is it called? Pool Party? Jada. Oh my, that's still really pigmented. Okay, Morphe. I was about to say Jacqueline, but I mean, it's just Jacqueline's palette. So let me just take off, you know, all the purple access. Oh, looks like I got bruised. Story time. I got viciously beaten. What the fuck did you say? Sorry, that was like bothering me. So now I'm gonna grab a mixture of this one and this darker blue and like put it right here on this outer edge. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that dark blue. Oh, and this darker blue.
You motherfucker son of a bitch, what the fuck?
We're gonna blend it out. Also, why did my mom call me and then not answer? Do your parents do that too, or is that like a my parents thing? Like, it's like just like a get ready with me, you know, to go on a date with like the alien that you're about to steal from Area 51. Ooh, palette just fell. Okay. So I'm gonna carve out my eyelid again. I'm just gonna grab my finger again. You see? Hello. Now I'm going to grab this one. Do these have names? I don't think they do. So I'm just gonna point at them. I don't think you guys care either, so. And there's our two colored eyes. What the fuck is going on over there? Okay, whatever. I'll grab this brush. I'm just gonna grab that blue. I'm just gonna. In theory, this should blend out a little more. Kind of blend a little, but not like enough to the point where it just like disappears. This palette, and then I'm going to grab this pinky shade, and I'm just gonna put that also just in splotches, just like right here. Literally looks like I got punched. Like I just like Mike Tyson just beat the fuck out of me. So now you can see it's slightly coming together. So that's that. When he calls you his universe. Now I just need to add like stars or something. I don't know. But you see, I don't have white eyeliner. I just have like the pencil white eyeliner. So if I just grab like a fuck ton like that, and then I just like tap it in. I don't know. I mean, it kind of worked. Ooh. Wait, improvisation queen. What the fuck? I just did that. Oh my god. I really just did that. I mean, I'm just a legend, aren't I? So yeah, let me pretend like I knew what I was doing this entire time. Okay.
Why the fuck you lying?
Because I knew what I was doing the entire time, of course. I'm a beauty guru, and of course I knew what I was doing.
Stop fucking lying.
This looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god. That's so cute. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna put white eyeliner in my waterline really quickly. I haven't done this in a really long time, so hope it still looks good. And I'm just gonna put on some mascara. While I wait for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna highlight a little. I think I'm gonna use purple because I never use purple. And if I have the excuse to use purple, of course I'm gonna use it.
Go on. You go and be great with your lavender.
Also, I really suck at putting on lashes. Maybe it's because I use my hands. I don't really know. When I use tweezers, I feel like I'm gonna stab my eye out. I feel like I have more control with my fingers. Yeah, don't take my advice. Take it with a grain of salt because I don't really know what I'm doing. Thanks for watching, you guys. I mean, come on, this came out so much better than I thought it was going to. Yeah, if you like this, recreate it. Send it to me on Insta if you know. I'll post you on my story on Instagram if you recreate this and send it to me. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a good day. I love you to the universe and back. Is that how you say it? To the stars and back. You know, on the weekend went. How did it go? They said I couldn't become They said I couldn't reach Mars, so I became a star. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking however long this video took. Probably like 2 hours, I don't know. But thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Mira ma, lo que me hizo. Es una galaxia. Es el universo. ¿No te gusta?
Yo pensé que no te ve. Oh, ya te ve. Ya te veo las estrellas.
El hijo de Verónica Castro era un fuerte famoso musical. Sin embargo, Cristian habría rechazado el